Well, lawn care season might not be quite over just yet, but it's gonna get cold and it's gonna start snowing soon. And if where you live is anywhere like where I live here in Utah, winter sneaks up on you pretty quick. So best to be prepared and make sure that your equipment's gonna work on day one. So it's the middle of October and it is Toro's snowblower maintenance week. So in an effort to just remind you that it's gonna snow soon if you live in snowy areas, we wanna just make sure that you take the time in advance to make sure that everything's gonna work on day one. So Toro actually has a maintenance kit that comes with oil, a fuel treatment, and a new spark plug all in one. And you can take a few minutes and go over general maintenance requirements for your machine. Change the oil, treat the fuel, change the spark plug, make sure it starts, have everything ready to go. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, got it out of the shed, brought it out to the garage, dusted it off a little bit. I'm gonna start it up and get it running for a few minutes, get that oil nice and warm so that it will come out a lot faster. Alright, so for the spark plug, you need to take off the metal heat guard that's covering the spark plug itself and the exhaust and the rest of the components there on that side of the motor. There's just a few screws that need to come out. It does get hot, so give it some time to cool down. It can cool down enough while you're putting new oil in and maybe checking the tire pressure or something like that. There we go, oil's changed, spark plug is changed. Fuel treatment I'm not gonna personally worry about because I already run ethanol-free fuel in all of my small engines, and the fuel treatment is to help get rid of any ethanol and things like that. So I'm already running ethanol-free, so I'm not gonna worry about the fuel treatment. But if you're not running ethanol-free fuel, make sure that you do add that fuel treatment. It's good for a year. So keep that in mind, something else to do. Last thing I'm gonna do before I call it good and ready to go for this next winter season, check the tire pressure. So there you go, that's it. It took less than 20 minutes and I'm gonna be ready to go this season. I don't look forward to the snow. I'd rather have the green grass, but at least tackling the snow will be easy and I'll know that I can rely on my machine again for another year. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.